morning and Islamic talk. My name is Mr. Fatma. I am in class 6 and today my topic is respiratory system. So first of all, what is respiration? Respiration is a physical process by which we take in oxygen from the surrounding medium environment and release carbon dioxide with the help of series of organs. It includes nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, lungs, primary bronchi, and alveoli. Lungs is subdivided into bronchial tree and alveoli. These are that organs that play active role in respiratory system. Respiratory system is divided into two parts: upper respiratory tract and lower respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract include nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, and lower respiratory tract include trachea, primary bronchi, and lungs. First, we discuss nasal cavity. Nasal cavity of respiration begins with nasal cavity. When we breathe, air flows to the nostrils and enter the nasal cavity. It consists of such cells called mucus. Mucus is salty and sticky substance which helps in killing bacteria. It has guard hairs which block the inhalation of large particles. Next organ is pharynx. Pharynx, it is also called throat. It is a muscular funnel extending 13 cm long and it is further divided into three parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. Up to this point, pharynx, food and drinks and air share a common part. Next is larynx. Larynx, upper respiratory tract last organ है. Its basic function is to keep food and drink of the airway. Larynx also has an additional producing sound, that is why it is also called voice box. Trachea. It is also called a windpipe. It is a rigid tube 12 cm in length. It is surrounded by C-shaped cartilage ring. In respiratory trachea means job is to transfer food and drink to the next junction called primary bronchi. Next junction is primary bronchi. It is also called bronchi. It is divided into two main parts: the right and left midstep bronchus. These bronchus into our lungs and further divide into several branches and sub-branches. Next is lungs. The lungs are like plastic bags resembling rubber balloons. The lungs has divided into two parts: right lung and left lung. Right lung has 3 lobes and left lung has 2 lobes. Right lung has larger than left lung. Bronchial tree. Bronchial tree is the part of lungs. The branches and sub-branches of primary bronchi are called bronchioles. Bronchioles are root-like structure which again divide into further branches and sub-branches, which is called bronchial tree. The air passes through bronchial tree to the next junction and final junction of respiratory system, alveoli. Alveoli is the actual site of gaseous state of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the lungs and blood. Alveoli is called basic unit of respiratory system. It looks like a bunch of grapes. The single spherical ball-like structure of alveoli is called alveolus.
Good morning, Assalamualaikum. My name is Afaiman. I am from class 6. The topic of your presentation is cell and its parts. First of all, what is cell? Cell are the basic unit of life. All the living things, plants and animals are made up from cells. Just like a house is made up from cells, in the same way our living organism is made from cell. A cell is the smallest unit of our life. Cell make our various body parts like eye, nose, ear, muscles, bone, etc. Since cells are the living organism, living things, they require energy. Parts of cell. Cell membrane. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. In animal cell, the outermost covering of the cell is called cell membrane or plasma membrane. It separates the interior of the cell from the outer environment. It is found inside the cell wall. It protects the cell from the injury. It is composed of lipids and protein. Cytoplasm, the fluid and semi-fluid matrix of the cell present between the nucleus and plasma membrane, containing various cell organelles and inclusions. It contains about 90% of water in various cell organelles and inclusions. It also contains various amino acids, enzymes, vitamins, sugar. It is the storehouse for the raw material needed for the metabolism in both cytoplasm and nucleus. Nucleus. Nucleus is the largest nucleus is the largest organelle in the plant cell. It is generally located at the center of the cell. While in plant cell, it is pushed to the side due to a presence of a large cell vacuole. Nucleus is bounded by two nuclear membranes gathered called nuclear envelope. They both have space between them. The space is filled with fluid. Nuclear envelope separates the nuclear content from the cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm is fluid material present in nucleus. Chromosomes are thread-like structures present in nucleus and become visible only during cell division. Our next topic is cell wall. The plant cell as well as functional cell and fungi surrounding plasma membrane called cell wall. It is non-living and rich. The cell wall is made out of material called cellulose. It maintains the shape of the cells. It is cell wall and it is cell membrane. Cell wall is non-living and rich. It is cell wall and it is cell membrane. In animal cell wall is in plant cell wall is present, but in animal cell the cell wall is not present. Cell wall is rich and non-living. Cell wall is not present in animal cell. It maintains the shape of the cell. Chloroplast. Chloroplasts are also known as green plastids. Green plastids are present in the cytoplasm of plant cell and certain green algae. Chloroplasts contain green pigment called chlorophyll. It is the process of food making called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are tiny rod-shaped and spherical organelles distributed in cytoplasm. Mitochondria are known as power generators of cells. Vacuole. A vacuole appears as an empty space under the microscope. Vacuole occur in most cell. Cytoplasm of a plant cell contain a large organelle filled with water, food, muscle, and many other substances called vacuole. Thank you.
My name is Ms. Akshay Zaina. The topic of my presentation is heart. The heart is an amazing pump that works non-stop, keeping the body alive with every beat. It sends a surge of bright red blood carrying vital supplies such as oxygen and body's waste products, such as carbon dioxide, through a network of blood vessels to and from every part of the body. Arteries. Arteries carry blood from heart to other parts of body. Veins. Veins carry blood back to heart from other parts of the body. Thank you.
My name is Abdurrahman. I am from class 6. Today I will tell you my project. My project is about solar system. There are 9 planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Neptune, Pluto. Our Earth is on third number. All planets revolve around the sun. So this from my side. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ishal and I am from from class 7. Today my presentation is on solar system. The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the sun and the object that orbits it. The solar system consists of planets, stars, sun, and there were 9 planets, but now we have 8 planets. Pluto is excluded. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is the smallest and the closest planet from the Sun. The Venus is the second planet far from the Sun. The Earth is the third, and the Mars is fourth. Jupiter is the biggest planet of the solar system. It is located in an outer spiral arm of the Milky Way galaxy called the Orion Arm. Our solar system orbits the galaxy at about 515,000 mph. Our solar system age is 4,571 years. It takes about 230 billion years to orbit one galaxy.
In this one, I am from class 7. Today the topic of our presentation is solar system. Solar system consists of sun, 8 planets, stars, and countless smaller bodies. Before the explosion of Pluto, we had 9 planets, but now we have 8 planets. Mercury is the smallest planet in solar system. It is also known as coldest planet in solar system. Venus is the hottest planet in solar system. Venus spins opposite direction of Earth and most of the other planets. Earth is a terrestrial planet. It is also known as the planet in solar system which supports life. Mars is also known as a terrestrial planet. Mars is also known as a red planet because of all the iron in the sun. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Jupiter has rings, but they are too faint to see very well. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. It has yellow-brownish color. Uranus is also known as coldest planet in solar system. Uranus color is blue and green due to methane. Neptune is like Uranus. It is an ice king. It is similar to a gas king also, and its color is blue.